Somebody actually messaged me on Instagram and was like, I saw you in the middle of the rotary. I hope everything's okay. And I was like, yeah, thanks for not stopping to help me. I was going around and I heard this bang, bang, bang. And I looked through my rearview mirror and there my table was. It had fallen out the back of my truck and into the middle of the rotary. So the table's pretty dinged up after the events that it went through. And you can see where there's a split in the material where it actually did crack. Hopefully a little wood glue and some sanding will bring it back to life. So I'm first gonna sand with the grain, with the belt sander. This is gonna really rip into the table, and then I'm gonna take the orbital sander and do some finer sanding. And then we're gonna cut off the edge of the table that has a little bit of the detail, and we're gonna reverse it so that it has like the opposite effect for that mid-century modern look, where it's wider on the top and a little narrower underneath. I'll be working on cutting some of those half rounds from East Coast Specialty Hardwood and securing them to our base. So we'll have a really interesting looking dining table that goes with my mid-century modern vibe. What did the base of the table, like what'd you say? You said it was a racetrack?
Oh yeah.
And I said it's a ribbed, we're gonna do a ribbed racetrack leg on the bottom. You were working on it almost like the whole day yesterday, and then now I just have to sand it and do another coat. I just did a quick one last night and then let it set, and then we'll do
Yeah, it looks good.
For more inspiration, head to DIYmom.ca. There you can follow my blog, find handy reno tips, and get lots of amazing DIY inspiration.